Are you ready to revolutionize your food production? The food industry is evolving rapidly, and the challenges come in every direction. Maintaining consistent product quality, controlling escalating costs, navigating strict regulations, avoiding production delays, and minimizing costly machine downtime. These obstacles don't just slow you down, they limit growth, cutting into profits unless you have the right tools. Imagine a system that connects every part of your business seamlessly. An ERP transforms scattered processes into a unified platform, empowering you with efficiency, control, profitability, and accuracy like never before. Meet AVEEROS Food ERP, the ultimate solution for the food and beverage industry. Built to handle your unique challenges, AVEEROS simplifies operations, from raw materials to finished products and production to payroll, putting you in complete control. Consistency starts with precision. AVEEROS's recipe management ensures every batch is just right, with detailed steps, exact ingredient quantities, and even labor and machine tracking. Reduce waste, control costs, and deliver perfection every time. AVEEROS revolutionizes your production workflow, automating material requisitions, introducing stage-wise quality checks, and tracking batch costs in real time. Gain full visibility and control, ensuring efficiency and maximum profitability. From raw materials to finished goods, AVEEROS keeps your inventory organized across every warehouse. With real-time tracking, say goodbye to stockouts and hello to smarter storage and supply planning. Your finances simplified. AVEEROS automates accounting, delivers real-time insights, and helps you manage cash flow with precision, giving you a crystal-clear financial view of your business. Downtime is costly. AVEEROS engineering and maintenance module keeps your equipment running with ease. From preventive maintenance to spare parts management, take control of repairs and ensure production never misses a beat. Your team deserves a payroll system that works as hard as they do. AVEEROS simplifies payroll, tracking hours, calculating wages, and generating reports, all in one secure platform. AVEEROS brings everything together with powerful modules for production, inventory, finance, maintenance, payroll, procurement, and more, streamlining every corner of your business for unmatched efficiency. With cloud power, AVEEROS gives you access anytime, anywhere. Enjoy automatic updates and advanced security, keeping your data safe and your operations running smoothly. Take the first step toward transformation. Visit www.aveeros.com to schedule a demo and see how AVEEROS can help your food business thrive like never before.